Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. It's me Darren and welcome to Crypto Station. So friends, you wanna earn money without any investment? Yes, of course, everyone wants this. Today I'm gonna talking about an app in which you can earn money without investing something. Yeah, you can earn money without doing any investment. It's a fun. You are just going to play some games and playing these games you can earn bitcoins. So let's start the video. Friends, it's the interface of Bling app. Here is redeem bitcoin rewards. Here are some games you are going to play in this app. There are multiple games like break the cages. It's a very interesting game. Here is another game which is match and clear. It's also interesting game you should play. Here is smash the blocks. Here are some blocks, you have to smash these blocks. It's also interesting and funny. Time to cash out your money. Yeah, cash out your money. It's interface of cash out, guys. So it's redeem bitcoins rewards. Let's start to earn playing points. So you have to go on your Play Store and you have to write Bling app. Just simply type Bling app and hit the enter button. After hitting, you can see there are number of apps. You have to hit the first one. It's Bitcoin blocks. Don't confuse here. It's Bling Bitcoins blocks. So just click on it. It's downloading, and after downloading it will be installed automatically. Just click on install button. It's downloading now and waiting for its completion. So friends, I wanna tell you, you must gonna enjoy this app and you will enjoy this, I'm sure. So it's a fun, you can earn money with fun. It's a very interesting thing. Yeah, of course you can earn money with fun. There are some games you are going to play and you can earn bitcoins. It's very interesting thing. Just waiting. Yeah, waiting. So it's installing now and we gonna click on open button. Hit the open button. Yeah, it's Bling. Yeah, you can see there is bitcoin blocks and there was Bling. So get started. Click on get started and play button. It's opening now. Level 1, you have to play level 1. Just click on it. As you can see, there are number of blocks. Now you have to choose the same color blocks. As you can see, there are number of blocks and there are many colors, so you have to hit the same color blocks. Okay, you have to hit the same color blocks. Please don't choose any random color and any random block. Just choose the same color block. After choosing the same color blocks, you can earn bitcoins and you can earn points. You can earn your points and you can earn bitcoins. Here you can see on the upper right corner there are moves, and on the upper left corner there are goals. So you can check out your moves and your goals on the upper right corner. Here is another goal. Here is another action you have to do. That is, you have to watch movies or ads or any something like this stuff video. So just click on it. It's opening now. Yeah, it's the video ad. You have to watch this ad and you can earn by watching this ad. So don't skip this ad. After skipping, you can't avail any bitcoin, any points. So you have to watch this ad completely. I'm just watching it, and after watching these ads you can earn bitcoins, you can earn your points, and that points are your bitcoins. So you have to watch these ads as much as you can see, more and more, and you can earn more money. After this all, here is another interface. As you can see on your screen, you have to continue with your Google account or with your Facebook account or with your email, any account from which you wanna sign up and want to receive your earned money. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care.